What's up you guys, it's Heidi. I know you can see my lights through my glasses. I'm so sorry, but I seriously cannot figure out a way to get rid of it, and when I turn my lights off it just looks so, you know, like dark and weird, and it's not good. So just bear with me for this really short intro and outro, and for the video of course I'm not going to be wearing my glasses. But yeah, today I am going to share with you guys the makeup that I usually do when I have to wear my glasses. This is my prescripted glasses, but on most days I do wear lenses because they're much more convenient, and let's face it, I do feel like wearing lenses makes me more confident. But yeah, anyway, I seriously have to learn to love my glasses more, I know, and I am working on it. So lately I've been trying out different makeup looks with my glasses and see, you know, kind of experimenting with it, and I do have a few problems when I wear makeup and glasses together. So throughout this tutorial, other than showing you how I do my makeup, it's kind of like little tips and tricks that actually help me when I have to wear my glasses, like how to stop breaking out around like the nose area, because my nose piece will be touching my face all day if I'm wearing glasses. I mean, this is like a common sense, and that used to break me out so much, and it's one of the reasons why I hate wearing glasses when I'm wearing makeup. But yeah, other than this, I still have some little tips and tricks, but I don't want to give it all away here. And yeah. Oh, and one more thing, since my brow routine is still the same no matter I'm wearing glasses or not, I'm not gonna waste your time. I already filled them in before I started filming this video. So yeah, I am so tired of seeing myself in the screen with the glare. I'm so sorry. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so let's start with priming our face. I'm gonna take the Bare Minerals Prime Time BB Primer Cream. I've pretty much used up almost all of it, so I'm just going to dot a little bit all over my face. And then I'm going to take another primer. This is from L'Oreal, and it is the Micro Jeweled Diamond Complex. It is kind of like a highlighting dewy primer. So I'm just going to take the really small amount, apply it under my eyes and a little bit on my cheekbones. One of my biggest problems when I am wearing my makeup with glasses is that the nose piece of the glasses is always in contact with my face, right? And this area tends to break out because all the products just builds up and it kind of clogs my pores, and you know, it's just not a very nice feeling. So the thing that I do right now to really make sure that, you know, it'll be better, I am going to avoid putting product on the two sides of my nose to, you know, reduce the product there. That is just something that I have discovered worked really well for me, so you guys can definitely try out this little tips. So you see I'm just very carefully like blending it out but not into the nose area. Actually, I think it depends on what kind of glasses that you're wearing, because the glasses that I wear, the middle part don't really touch like the bridge of my nose. It only touches my side. You can just avoid any areas that, you know, your glasses are gonna touch your face. I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm still using the YSL All Hours concealer, which I think I've been using for quite a few tutorials now, but yeah, I love it. And I'm going to just dot a little bit all the way down, and you guys can see, just avoid the nose area again. Just do that. And I usually let them set just a little bit, so I'm gonna work on my eyes first. When you wear glasses but you want to wear makeup, a very big problem is that when you're doing your makeup, you literally have to be this close to the mirror. So when I have lenses on, I can do a cat eye or like all those fancier makeup looks. But if I'm wearing glasses for day, I would not have anything to help me really see what's really going on. unless I'm like this close. So what I usually do for my eye makeup if I am wearing glasses that day is that I am not going to use anything that's like really hard to control. So I'm not gonna use liquid eyeliner or like, you know, things that like liquid eyeshadow. Actually, the liquid eyeshadow is probably fine, but personally I don't really like them because I tend to go out of control with them. But if you are an expert in that, just go for it. What I will do for eyes is usually just a really it's just regular eyeshadow with a little maybe like pencil liner. I'll show you guys in a second. First of all, I'm just going to take my Shu Uemura eyeshadow. I think this is in the shade 851, I think. I'm just gonna put it on my crease. And then to add a bit of color to my eyes, I will be using a blush. I know it's weird, but I love using this MAC blush on my eyes. It is called Burnt Pepper, and it's the most beautiful shade I've ever seen. I'm completely obsessed with it. So yeah, just put it wherever you want. It's makeup, guys. Just have fun with it. And the great thing about this is this is almost like a messy smoky eye, so you can totally just go crazy, and even if you can't see very well and mess up a little bit, it wouldn't really matter. So just go with it. For eyeshadow, I usually like to add a little bit of dimension to my eyes with some sparkly eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the shade In Love from the I think it's like a mini palette that I got a long time ago, but it's basically just like, it's just a shimmery shade, so you guys can use whatever you have. And I'm just gonna add it to the center of my eyes. It's time to blend in our concealer. Again, I am just going to avoid blending the product on the sides of my nose. By the way, you guys can totally use your fingers, but I feel like my hands are a little bit dirty right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and use sponge. And I am going to use Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. It's kind of like a foundation. This is really lightweight, so I don't have to be scared that it's too heavy for me or anything. And for this product, I will put a little bit on my nose because this, like I said, is really lightweight, so you can't really go wrong with it, and it has never break me out before. So I'm just going to use it all over my face. Using this can also help blend in the product so people can't really see that you kind of leave out the sides of your nose with no product. Of course, we have to set face makeup. I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Press Powder. I'm actually almost out. Gonna go get a new one. Oh, and I'm still going to use this on the sides of my nose as well because this is great for oil control. I do have oily skin and this has helped a lot. Okay, going back to our eyes, I'm just going to put a little bit of highlight on my inner corners because when you have your glasses on, you still want your eyes to really pop, and putting highlights on my inner corners really helps. Since we're talking about highlights, I'm just going to use it on my cheekbones as well. Ooh, by the way, I'm using the highlighter from Tarte. Now, it's really up to you if you want to contour, but you know, since I'm filming a video, I might as well do it. I'm just taking my Shu Uemura eyeshadow again and contour a little bit to make my cheekbones really pop. For our eyes, if you really want to put on eyeliner, my little tip is use your eyebrow pencil. For me, I have two eyebrow pencils, and one of them is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and the other one is this one. This is the NYX Micro Brow. I do tend to use the one from Anastasia more, but for the NYX Micro Brow, I love using it as eyeliner because it can produce a really thin line, and even if you mess up, just use your fingers to wipe it away, it'll be fine, but it still stays on for a very long time. So when I am wearing my glasses and I already know that I can't see very clearly what I'm doing, this is definitely the one I will use for drawing on my eyeline. And I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna use my mascara from By Terry. I actually upload a review for this mascara. If you guys wanna watch that, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Yep, I totally got some underneath my eyes. This happens too often. By the way, today I am only using the lengthening side. I'm not using the volumizing one. We of course cannot forget about our lips. I'm using my favorite shade from Kat Von D. It is called Lolita, and this is already my second bottle. You guys can tell how much I love it. To be honest, to me, when I'm doing my makeup without my lenses, it should be a makeup challenge. Not perfect, but probably the best we're gonna get with my eyesight. The moment of truth, it's time to put on our glasses. Oh my god, it's reflecting like crazy. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me see if I can work it out. Like this. There we go. Okay, let's see. This is not bad. I mean, the eyeshadow is a little bit more pigmented than I wanted them to be, but hey, it looks okay. And this is the makeup that I have for you guys. I'm sorry, this is glaring like crazy. Which, I should put ooey eye, but I have to be like so low. Okay, I can't really see them anymore. Okay, but yeah. Sorry, just do that for just a second. Let me try to move it. Is this better? Nope, it is still there. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. Honestly, so bad right now. I can totally see the reflection of my ring light. Okay, I am so sorry about this, but yeah, this is the makeup look. Alright, so that's all this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There'll be a new video coming every Saturday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until next time, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!